And sa frame yung sa frame.
Good afternoon.
Faster, girls. Tako, kalma.
Yang. Kindly send the link to your GC ha. Okay, they're coming na.
Ready?
Please.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's 50. Let me adjust my view because I got it. In case for the one sensitive here. What's with this smile so far? I'm being honest. Yeah, it could be feel off. Sayang yung bendo. Alright, so let me share my screen first.
Okay. Parang hindi ko na yata makita pa ang screen.
Oh, when you see it. Alright, so I'm sharing now my PPT to the girls.
Jan Tapanan. Marvin Panis, David.
It's my students. Before.
Yeah, maybe.
They are grade 8 now.
Yeah, they should be grade 8 now.
They were my babies before.
Yeah, but not just a parts of memories.
But I have my new babies now.
Oh.
In my screen, they are the most thoughtful year section.
12F?
No, 11B Dalton.
Ito? After the Arabic room?
Yes, Mr. Beast. Yeah.
Okay.
He just entered my online class. Alright, so PPT has been shared to you. So okay, so let's identify the intruder.
So, sir, who's this one? Rad is telling that once upon a time, you were his babies.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi. So, you're the babies of Sir Raddy, especially the original from Peps. Those who are not transfers. Zamora, Yang, Doncido. Okay. Ortega, I think is
Sir, what do I do, sir?
Jasser, Sophia. Okay. So verb tense. Okay.
Are you sure that this sentence
Verb tenses. So let's have. I cannot see because I'm here in the hallway outside because the internet is not good inside. So basically, we're waiting for the announcement whether we'll have face-to-face on Monday or no, or it depends with the situation, correct? Maybe if there's bombing this Saturday and Sunday, okay, it gets delayed again.
Sir, I was joining in the other link. I'm so sorry.
Who?
Because like Miss sent a
10A?
spread, a link there, like Gmail link for every teacher. So I was joining
Very
there,
good.
and I didn't see.
Why?
Sir, what do you mean why? Because like So every though we can join every like every class.
Gusto mo din?
So in the
What you should do
the
in your
table,
section?
huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Yang Yang. Please start the verb tense in news writing. Of course. Yes, please.
Now, let's move forward to our usage. Is it yes, yes. So, so, I think
1 minute. Please hold
this will
on.
be one.
Eh, okay, continue.
So for group one, I'll be I don't know, sorry, reflection. Um, the class. So group one will be student for group two and three. Some and um access is given getting you can do the traditional in computer where you can do one both,
It's okay na, it's okay na.
right? Di ba
Thank
sa
you.
look as notification?
Boys, why do I have to kalma here? Kalma, then 8D kalma.
For the
Troll,
file,
troll, troll.
Is this legit?
so I'm gonna give you the whole
Yeah, it's legit, I think.
Okay, admit the 8D kalma. Okay.
Ah, 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 ah.
Who was that?
Who the hell is that, bro?
Who's that one?
Now we can identify the screaming.
Okay.
The big guy.
Pakol, David, Banjaw, Palma, Manungsong,
Yes, sir.
Marientos, Ortega, Timpog, Tuazon, Alfonso, Yang Yang, Zamora, Jantapanan, Lianyo, Locido, Majid, Rigenden, Torres, De Guzman, Bansag, Tuazon, and Panis. Okay, let's discuss na. FEPS AD, deny. Now someone gave away the ano. Okay, in your headlines, it should be in the present tense, correct? But remove the auxiliary verbs or the helping verbs. Okay, go back to your. Okay, bring out your the news article that you wrote before. We'll, we will examine it.
sorry,
Yes, Atonyan, where's your article? The news article that you wrote before?
Oh, yes, wait. It's in my other computer. Wait, I'm turning it on right now. Just
I have
wait,
mine,
sir.
sir.
Just like 2 minutes, I'm turning it on right now.
Open your news article. Yes, Panis, you have?
Yes.
Okay, read your title.
Okay, hold on. It is called the President-to-Resident Impeachment.
Wait.
Yo, Marvin, what happened to your
Yes,
voice,
sir, I
Marvin?
found it.
Sorry, yeah.
Okay, let's take Panis first. What's the title?
President-to-Resident Impeachment.
President
The resident, because they're
to
getting
resident.
demoted. Yeah, they're getting impeached.
Okay. So make it present tense as required.
All right.
President gets impeached. Right?
President impeached. Impeachment live.
President
President becomes impeached.
becomes impeached. That's it. That
Yeah.
is possible.
Yeah, that's our title now.
Okay, you're removing all the auxiliary verbs, all the helping verbs.
Mm.
Yes, how about you, Atonyan?
Yes,
Your title.
my title is Trump's energizes the supporters with bold promises.
Okay, how will you summarize it into very short but attractive, very catchy title?
Trump promises the supporters.
Of what?
What? Yeah.
What?
Trump.
What Trump is promising? Atonyan,
Ah! Ah! Ah!
is Garcia who's making noise? Yes, Atonyan. What Trump is promising? You're muted. Why? Your microphone. Yes. How about yours, Yang? Yes, give your title first and we'll try to analyze. What could be the best title? Shortened, but in the present tense. Okay, after Yang Luncido. Well, yes. Okay, Luncido, yours.
Yes, sir.
How about your your title?
My title po.
Yes.
My word is lagging.
Is it too wordy?
Ah,
Too much words or what? Okay, I wanna listen.
the fall of the Philippine president.
Okay. Make it shorter. You can make the Philippine president false. Right? False out. Is that correct or what?
Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Lucido, that's a sound title. Your original title is good.
Okay po.
You don't need to revise it. Yes, Yang. Next, Panis.
Yes, po. What is it? Yes, sir.
Your title.
It's president becomes impeached.
Okay. The president becomes impeached.
Yes.
Yes, Panis.
Yes.
Your
That's the title. Huh?
Your title.
President becomes impeached. That's the title.
Oh, yeah. I think you're done with me. Yes, Ortega, do you wanna share yours? Next, Kalma, ha?
Yes. My title. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay, my title. President faces impeachment complaint in the Philippines.
That's complete. That's
That's
fair
good.
enough. Yeah,
No need to change or
yeah.
okay.
There's no need to revise that. Next, Kalma. Next, Zamora.
Hi, sir. Sir, yung ano po, yung paragraph,
Yung title, the
yung
title
dati,
first before
yung sa
the
impeachment.
paragraph. What's your title?
Breaking news lang po yung title ko.
Hey,
Breaking news.
no.
Wait.
That should be the proper title.
Babaguhin ko lang po.
Okay. Okay, now let's go to the body. Yes, Jen Tapanan, please read the body of the article.
Where, sir?
Jen Tapanan, the body of the article.
Past tense. The body of the news article typically uses the past tense to describe events that have already taken place. This is because the primary function of news writing is to report on completed actions. For example, the president announced new policies yesterday. Clearly indicates that the event has occurred.
Okay. Body of article, it should be in the past tense, yeah? Because most of the events in the news happen in the past, correct? So infinitive, future events, infinitive forms when discussing future events, news writers may use the infinitive forms of the verbs. The president needs to attend, right? The impeachment trial on May 25. Okay. Okay, summary of key rules. Mr. De Guzman, please read. De Guzman. De Guzman is not around. We'll remove him. Sira microphone. Yes, Bansag.
Yes.
Please read.
Teacher Gansa.
Summary of rules.
Present tense for headlines. Use present tense to create a sense of immediacy and relevance. Past tense for report. Use past tense in the body to report on events that have already happened.
Okay. Boys, do not use future tense in the title, ha? Thank you.
Thank you. Good na pa.
It's okay na. Thank you. Yes. Let's go to the new topic.
Sir, do you hear me?
Let's all give a virtual clap, a virtual hands to Tristan.
We hear you.
Virtual. Virtual. Okay, very good. Now this time, Teams Calvin is in the between who Philippines to ask Calvin.
Sir,
Can
can
you
you hear
answer
me?
the same question? Yeah. Can want more than words and only.
Okay, objective. Discuss objectivity, fairness, and accuracy. Success criteria. Yes. Majid, please read.
Ano, sir? Sir, what, sir?
Yeah, because I shared something, so the internet
No,
is not
because
good
it's
in
not,
the
it's
screen.
not, it's not on.
1 minute, please hold on.
No, loading in, sir. Wait.
It's loading. Okay, read success criteria.
Wait, sir. For me, it's a bit longer, sir. Wait.
Yes, make it fast. Is it there na?
No, sir. It's loading so slow. There.
Oh
I can
my.
see success criteria.
Okay, see na.
I can discuss objective.
Read the title.
Success criteria. I can discuss
Success
objectivity,
criteria.
fairness, and accuracy in news writing. I can identify bias, unfair, and inaccurate statements in news articles. I can compose and apply objectivity, fairness, and accuracy in news writing.
Okay, thank you.
Alright,
Welcome,
the
sir.
one who's very noisy from the class, he called Darius. Darius, you have Calvin. According to Calvin, it's no. Why? Oh my God, you're not listening, huh? You're not listening. Alright. Can an organ work alone? Yes or no? Why? No, why?
Why I can't find it?
You try remembering. Again. If you only have brain as one organ of your life. Yes?
Okay,
You definitely need.
maybe in 2 minutes. No, maybe in 1 minute it's there already.
Very good. Let's all have a virtual class to join you. Very good.
We see it now, sir.
Okay. Objectivity and fairness in journalism. That's a big problem. Right? How about if you're writing about a politician, about one politician, and you don't vote for him? Correct? And the competitor is your relative of that politician. How will you be? Very objective and fair. Yes or no? Let's say it's about that politician in the opposing side and his competitor is your father. Yes, Mr. Atonyan, how can you be objective and fair in that kind of situation?
What, sir? How can I? Oh, wait, sorry.
So why is Broski a robot?
Who's that one?
Oh, yes, sir. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Tuason, sit properly.
Wait.
Okay. Let's take Jen Tapanan. Jen Tapanan?
Yeah.
How can you be very objective and fair in journalism?
Well, let me think.
Provided there's one politician and the number one competitor of that politician is your father. That politician is a mayor and your father is running for the same position. How can you be very objective and fair? Yes, Jentapanan. How can you be? If you are caught in that kind of predicament. Okay? Nobody?
What?
How can you be objective? Okay. Yes. Yes, share your idea. Yes, correct.
kung masyadong
Well, at least, inshallah, ha? Inshallah. Because if we are in that kind of situation, of course, we will favor the one who is in our side, correct? Even if your friend is or has a trouble, right? Inside the classroom. And the teacher comes, of course, you will testify in favor of your friend, correct?
No, we have to react. Fair.
David, turn off your chipmunk.
David, what's that? Sometimes we need to bend our principles in favor for our loved one. Okay, but now let's tackle the objectivity and fairness in journalism. Yes, who wants to read the first part? Rigel, wait. Okay, we'll choose. Torres, please read. Torres.
Sir, sir. All of it, sir.
The first part.
Key takeaways. A reporter must write news stories without showing their feelings or opinions.
Louder.
Using neutral language, both sides of a story should be given equal space to ensure fair and balanced reporting. Reporters should act and appear objective and fair to maintain their credibility with the public. It is often thought that reporters should be objective and fair. Some news organizations even use the terms in their slogan, claiming they are more fair and balanced than their competitors.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, reporters must write news stories about without showing their feelings or opinions, using neutral language. Okay, let's go objectivity. Mr. Banjao, please read.
Objectivity. Objectivity means Objectivity means that when covering hard news, reporters don't convey their own feelings, biases, or prejudice in their stories. They do this by writing stories using neutral language and by avoiding characterizing people or institutions either positively or negatively. This can be difficult for the beginning reporter accustomed to writing personal essays or journal entries. One trap beginning reporters fall into is the frequent use of adjectives, which can easily convey one's feelings about the subject. Example: the interbid protesters demonstrated against the unjust government policies. Just by using the words interbid and unjust, the writer has quickly conveyed their feelings on the story. The protesters are brave, arguing in their cause, and the government policies are wrong. For this reason, hard news reporters usually avoid using adjectives in their stories. By sticking strictly to the facts, a reporter can allow each reader to form their own opinion about the story.
Please upload your activity.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who's that?
Anyone can hear Miss V in the background?
Yeah.
Always snap.
Tapos nanguha ako dyan ng mga basura ng mga
Was that you? doing the fart noise?
Very good, very good. Very good, very good.
Please raise your hands for those who are done doing activity. If you
A sword's not.
if you aren't, thank you so much. Push ID as well. For those who aren't done,
Yeah.
That was king. That was king. That was king. That was king.
That was king.
That was king.
Yeah, King.
So,
James is gay, by the way.
guys, let's end our discussion with the first. Let's answer this question. What is unity in primary writing? Why is it not? Anyone from the class?
King Leonor. Yo,
Okay, boys. Ay, Atonya, do you want me to remove you? Who's that one?
What's her? No, nothing.
Please. I'm trying to get a pair of sunglasses because I'm outside. It's too... Okay, objectivity means that when covering hard news, reporters don't convey their own feelings, biases, or prejudices in their stories. Boys, that's why I included in your previous lessons this bias and prejudice. Because this is the case. You will try to lean on, in, or against one side, correct? Yes or no? Let's say if the one involved is your friend, of course, for sure, you will favor, correct? You will bend the law. Sometimes if it's correct, you will make it wrong, or you will try to cover up, right? Anyway, you're still so young. Time will come that if you have the first-hand or actual experience, you will encounter this thing, that you will cover up something for your friend. Okay? Or you expose something against your friend because you are envy of your friend. Right? Allahu Akbar, what's that? Okay. Example, the intrepid protesters demonstrated against the unjust governments. Just by using the words intrepid and unjust, the writer has quickly conveyed their feelings on the story. The protesters are brave and just in their cause, and the government police policies are wrong. For this reason, hard news reporters usually avoid using adjectives in their stories. Okay. Yes. Yang again, what is your title? What's the title of your... Yeah. Okay. We don't say the Philippine corrupt president, right? Because if you say that way, yeah, correct. And you are influencing the masses, correct? That this president is a corrupt president. Okay? You understand what I mean with this? Kasi Yang understands. How about the others?
I understand.
Yes, is this Bacol? Bacol. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
So it's not Bacol. Bautista James, I think. Thank you, Bacol. I'm sorry. Yes, Bautista James.
Just what?
What's the title of your news article before?
It was Big Deal.
I can't hear you.
Wait, I forgot. I'll check the message.
Okay. Yes.
What happened to sir?
Am I lagging?
No, 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 no.
No, that's just sir.
Yeah, that's just
Yeah,
sir.
I can tell. Yeah.
David, you're being very respectful by using that voice changer.
Yeah, David. Yeah,
What?
David. You gotta remove that voice changer, David. That's not good, David.
That's
not good. That's kind of
what?
immature, David.
David, that's not good, David.
That's not good, David.
Bad boy, David.
Yeah,
Yeah, David.
Bad boy,
Yeah,
what are you
David.
doing?
That's
David?
shadow realm.
Bad
That's
boy.
really bad, David. Send it to the shadow realm.
Yo, it's time, bro. It's time already. I'm leaving, dude.
Yeah,
Mr.
man.
Alfonso.
I'm
Mr. Clausen Alfonso. Yeah.
I lost my connection. I lost my connection. Ano pa gagawin ko?
Sa akin naman mayroon. Tuason was the title of your news article a while ago. Yeah.
I changed it po into Philippine president impeachment.
Tell me.
Ah?
Okay. Wala, sir. Imposible. So, it's impossible now to... Okay, understand? We cannot put the corrupt president. Okay? Because if you put like that, if you put any negative adjective, any positive adjective, you are influencing the public. You are not objective.
You're not objective. You're being subjective.
Yeah, you are not fair. You are not objective. Okay, let's continue a bit. Fairness. I think it's time now.
Time na, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1:50 is time. We'll continue tomorrow, okay? Boys, save your news article will be because we'll be using this from time to time.
Yes.
And will be writing or creating a newspaper. Okay? So your assignment for tomorrow is what are the parts or sections of the
Will we do that
newspaper?
one today, sir?
No, that's for tomorrow's assignment. Okay?
Thank you for the heads up.
Yes. Because we're going to use them tomorrow after this. What are the different sections of what are the different sections of newspapers? Okay?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, it's already time, sir. What's this?
Yeah. So we'll answer that tomorrow. Bautista James, Riego. For the assignment, Lianyo, Martin, Rigiden.
Sir, saan ko yung
Kelly.
sasubmit?
No, for recitation tomorrow, what are the different sections or components of the newspaper? Okay?
Sige po, sir.
Okay, thank you. It's time now. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Goodbye, sir.